Hello and welcome to the fourth video of the SQL for Beginners lecture series. In the previous video we saw how to create a database. We also created a table and inserted data into our table. So in this video we are going to see how to import a CSV file into our database. So let's get started. Okay, I have my Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio open. So now what I'll do is I'll write a query to create a cars database. Okay, so I will write create database. Usually this keywords are written using capital letters. I'll call it cars. Okay, then I'll try to execute this. So it says successfully completed. So if I refresh it and look at the databases, we have this cars database, right? So now what I'll do is I'll use database, database cars, and I'll try to, sorry, you don't have to write database, use cars, and now we are in the cars database, right? So now what I'll do is I'll right click on the cars database and go to tasks and go to import data, right, which will open up a new window. Then we'll click on next, and we will select the data source, which will be a flat file. I'll show you. So we go to flat file source and then go to next, and we select the file we want. Okay, so CSV files, click on this. There's nothing to change here, so I'll click on next, and yeah, there is nothing to change here as well. I'll click on next, and then we'll select SQL Server native client 11.0. the database is cars, and click on next, and again click on next. So next and finish. So I hope everything is all right. Yeah, it says 11,914 rows transferred. Okay, if I close it now, if I try to see if I have successfully loaded my CSV file into database, I can select everything. The star means everything, and then from cars, right? If I try to run this, it says, oh, right. Wait, what is this is the database, right? I want to select the table name. So what is the table name? It's dbo.car or car. Okay, I forgot to create the table. That's fine. But if I were to create the table, I would have to define the schema, right? But since I imported it, SSMS, that is the Management Studio, did it itself, right? So I didn't have to worry about that. So now if I execute it, I should see my database. I mean, I can see all the data that has been pulled into our database. See, we have everything, all the data. So I think this is it for this video, and I'll see you very soon in the next coming videos. Thank you.